Welcome to MPS Motivators, a unique online teaching and learning platform. I am Janand Kumar standing in front of you. Before starting this session, I would like to wish you all a very gracious good morning. So good morning friends. In this session, I am going to discuss with you some more nouns with and without the. Friends, the is not used before these expressions. इन अभिव्यक्तियों के पहले द का प्रयोग नहीं होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स, इंडियन पीपल, अमेरिकन प्रेसिडेंट, इन नेपाल, इन इंडिया, today's times of India. We know that before the names of newspapers we use the, but here the is not used before the name of the newspaper Times of India. Here we have not used the before it because here today's is used. So in such an expression we don't use the before the name of a newspaper also. Today's Times of India, today's Hindustan Times, today's Navbharat Times. And friends, now we have to see where we use the is used in these expressions when the same expression is written by using of. For example, the people of India, we can write and we can say the people of India instead of Indian people. The President of America. In India and in Nepal cannot be expressed by using of. Today's Times of India, the Times of India of today, we can say. So friends, you have learnt where we can use the in such expressions, and with this rule and a few examples based on it, I am ending this session. But before it, I am requesting you to take its screenshot or write down in your notebook. And I am also requesting you to like it, comment it and share it with your friends. And also download MPS Motivators by going to Play Store. And friends, help us in approaching our knowledge to students on mass level, and it is possible only if you help us by inspiring others to subscribe MPS Motivators and download MPS Motivators. Thank you. Have a nice day.